back to and because the camera ran out of time, guys. So here we go, right here. Ready?
Let's get started.
1, 2.
I got a pinch.
I got a pinch. My mother's ready, but
Samira was in Girl Scout, but I just didn't feel like it wasn't teaching her anything.
You have to have the right.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like
I feel like the skills that they were teaching, and they were just doing too much for no reason at all.
So we ate this. If you guys didn't see the part 1, splendid.
And what do we do?
It doesn't taste like nothing to me, so I don't know what to say. I don't have a comment for this. My comment is it doesn't taste like nothing. You know,
my comment tastes like this. My comment tastes like it's good.
it tasted certain like I tasted before. So now part 1, no, part 2, and now we're going to try sugar. We tried sugar already, but
they make out.
we already tried it.
Like what?
You guys don't know us, and you guys are new to this page, TNT Nation.
Yeah, but they had a plan. It's just that I felt like the activities they were doing.
I guess I got you did. Oh, and I'm Mia, and B0 ate our music, guys.
And I'm Baby, which is BABYY.TINK. Okay,
Followers.
and I'm the first person you see on the thing. Okay, so, and I have emojis around, but anyways, and it's local that you guys don't know.
They went on Pinterest and looked up arts and crafts, and
So this is the sugar, sweet and low.
Is how I felt it was.
I'm gonna open it from right
So
there.
I was like, no, I'm not gonna make her.
Oh, they gonna be sugary. They stupid for that.
We're not
Haters just go hate, by the way.
What I would like to do,
So it looked like powder.
a girls empowerment group.
That's all.
Yeah. That's what I would really like to do. I know when I went to Partner Ritter.
Oh, we got to listen to us to 3.
For girls.
So guys, our part 2 is almost over, guys.
Right, you only get to listen to us until 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
We had like different books and journals.
Okay, so that we only got to 3, so I'm just ready. 1, 2, 3.
As a girl, but it was somewhere for them to kind of vent and get advice from people that not their mom or their aunt. You know what I'm saying? And it really taught you self-esteem and